Replace method of string. What is replace method? According to the definition that we have, replace method replaces a character by another one or any sequence of characters by another sequence. It's pretty much clear from its name, replace, which means to replace something by another. In replace method, what we are doing, we are replacing a character by another one or any sequence of characters by another sequence. That's what we do. We replace something by another. So it is all about replacement of something. That's what we do in replacement method. So let me check an example here. Example number 17. Place equals to Stanford University. Print of place dot replace of Stanford, Oxford. In the output I will get Oxford University. We have a variable with the place name. Its name is place. It equals to Stanford University. Make sure don't forget the quotes. It can be double quotes and can be single quotes. Now here in print we apply the replace function. Print of place. What is place? Place is the name of the variable, this place. Whatever thing you have here, you just put it here and then dot replace function of Stanford, Oxford. If you want to change Stanford by something, you have to put Stanford inside the quotes. I want to replace it by Oxford, so put Oxford here in the second position and inside the quotes. So by running the program in the output, you will get Oxford University instead of Stanford University, because we have replaced Stanford by the Oxford. That's what we do in the replacement method. We replace something by another. If you want to replace the university with a college, you have to put university here, university and then comma college. In the output you will get Stanford College. Make sure whatever thing you want to replace, you have to put it here in the first position. By whom you want to replace must be in the second position. Make sure don't forget the variable name. If it is A, you have to put it here A dot replace. If it is B dot replace. Since we have place here, therefore we want to put print of place dot replace. Example number 18. Let's check that whether it affects the original function or not. Let's check it. I will take the same example here, but this time I will take print of place as well. So when you run the program, at the end in the output you will get Oxford University and Stanford University. Look, we have two print function, print here and print here. Therefore I got two lines in the output. Here I apply the replace function. I replaces the Stanford by the Oxford. So I got Oxford University here. It is because of this first print expression. Now when I take the print of my original expression, which was place equals to Stanford University, if I take a print of place, I will get the same Stanford University, which means that it does not affect our original expression. It only returns the thing that we have replaced. It only returns a new output with the replacement. Like here, we just simply replaced Stanford by the Oxford, but when I take the print of my original expression, which was my place equals to Stanford University, it didn't affect or it didn't modify or it didn't change anything in my original expression. I got the same Stanford University expression, which is here. So it does not affect our original expression. It just returns the new value with the replacement. That's it. Example number 19. Now to check that replace method is a case sensitive method. Let me take the same example, place equals to Stanford University. Print of place dot replace of Stanford, Oxford. In the output I will get Stanford University. This method is a case sensitive method. It always detects the uppercase in the lowercase. I put S in the lowercase for the Stanford, but in actual scenario we have S in the uppercase. Here we used S in the lowercase. Therefore, It does not return my new output, which was supposed to be Oxford University, but replacement didn't take place because of this lowercase s. It simply returns my original expression Stanford University. If you put s in the capital letter, then you will get Oxford University here, like in the previous example. Here, my s is in capital. You have to put the exact thing, whatever you have here. Don't change the lowercase and the uppercase, and also don't change the spell. But since I have Stanford with the small s in the lowercase, therefore it didn't return my new output, which was supposed to be Oxford University. It simply returned my original expression, which was Stanford University. So you have to be very careful here. Always look to the lowercase and the uppercase. You have to put the exact things, whatever you have in your original expression. If you put something changed, you won't get the new output. Example number 20. Place equals to Taylor University. Print of place that replace of T by B. In the output you will get Baylor University. We can also replace a single character by another single character. Like my original expression is place equals to Taylor University. Print of place that replace of T by B. I replaced the T by B, so in the output I got Baylor University because T has been replaced by B. You can replace a string, you can replace a sequence of characters, or you can replace a single character as well by using the replace method.